Hi, this is Steve here from the AI Marketing School, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn AI projects into your AI marketing assistant. I'm currently using a mixture of Claude and Manus, and the reason for that is they have the best end-to-end capacities. However, you can do this for any AI of your choice, whether that be ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, anything you want. And what you need to do is, instead of just creating a new chat, what you actually need to do is create a project around what it is that you do. So I've just created this one for the AI Marketing School, and ultimately what I've done is I've told it everything it needs to know about our business, and with that you can have some custom instructions that tells things like what your business is all about, who your ideal customer profile is, your revenue streams, your business model, what you're looking to focus on at this time, etc. You can also upload documents such as your advertising results, your sales. You can give it things like your website, and then it can do all of the tasks that you want it to do, such as creating videos, AI videos like this one here, based on your business. So if you're looking to create AI content like this, instead of just going to an AI model and just asking it to create a video for you or to give you the script, which I'll show you in a minute, you actually do it inside of your own project, and it's got all of the background about your business. So let's see if I can do this live. I'll talk into it using Whisperflow, which is another great tool. It allows you essentially just to talk into these models. You don't need to worry so much about prompt engineering because you've told it everything about your business already. You can just talk into it like this. I want you to create a video script for people using Facebook ads and AI to promote their business. I want to create a 60-second reel about how they can use tools such as Manus to integrate with their Facebook ads to create high quality Facebook ads. I want you to create a full script as well as what should be included in the video, such as the backgrounds, pop-ups, visuals, text, everything that would make this a high quality video. Just create one video script that I can copy directly into HeyGen. So I'm going to copy that in there and give that a second. I don't suppose it will take too long, and it will actually start creating that script for us. You can see I've actually got a HeyGen script skill inside of here. That's something that you can actually add as a file, as a skill document, and then once you've done it a few times, you can go back and just use that skill, and you can see it's created the actual script for us already. You can see it's relatively detailed. I'd probably ask for a bit more information than this usually, but it's giving you the environment, the avatar, the video style, and the actual script, the words that you want your video to say. And with that, you can create a high volume of high quality AI content that is specific for your business. I'm creating these in HeyGen. You can see it's literally taken us about a minute, less than a minute, to speak into this AI model, to get the script, and then to generate it probably takes about 2 minutes inside of HeyGen. So I've done this a number of videos today. You can see all of those were yesterday, all of these were today, and it's really taken no time at all, and you get all sorts of different videos that you can create. You can do this for images if you want to use images, or whether it be things like writing posts for you, it can do that for you as well, because it's got all of the background about your business inside of an AI project. What you can do is you can upload things like emails or social posts that have worked well, tell it about how you like to communicate. You can see here I've got my communication preferences. That is both for how I want AI to communicate with me and how I actually write and the copy that I like to include. You can then post this directly to social media, or similar to what I'm doing here. These are some ads that I've started running today, and you can see we're starting to get leads through using the videos that we've just created. What I will do, it's very early days with this video. We're only just getting started with this particular campaign. You can see this one's got a cost per lead of £4.62, quick lead in there for just 96p. Obviously we need to get more data into this, but let's say that that one does continue to get fantastic results. What I will then do is I will copy this script again, and then I will get AI to write different variations of this script for me. Then you go through the process, create a new video, update it to Facebook ads, and you get a learning loop inside of AI, and it will start to improve your results. You can do the same for things like the actual text that goes alongside of these, or whether it be social media or your emails, you can get it to learn from what's worked well, feed it all back into your same project, and it will start to learn and improve. So that's how you turn AI into your marketing assistant. Instead of just being a generic tool that everybody has access to, you can make this more specific to your business and actually help you improve your results. If you have any questions about that, come into the AI marketing group. I'll be here to answer any of your questions and I'll be pleased to help.